This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Roblox with your existing Passkey. This confirms account ownership. Once logged in, go straight to Settings, then Account Info and Security to find credential options. You need a verified email or phone because Roblox sends a code to prove it's you. Allow notifications and have your device ready. Doing this prevents lockout when you switch authentication methods. Make sure you can receive the verification code before continuing, and keep a backup device available if possible. You now disable the Passkey option and enable a traditional password. First, in Security, select Authentication Methods and turn off Passkey authentication. Roblox will prompt confirmation. Then choose Set Password and enter a strong, unique password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to resist attacks. Once entered, Roblox sends a verification code to your email or phone. Enter it immediately to finalize the change. Make sure to note recovery options and update any saved sign-in. Finish by signing out and signing back and using your new password to confirm everything works. You should also re-enable two-step verification for better security because a password plus 2FA reduces account theft risk. If you encounter problems, codes not arriving or access blocked, try email recovery first and check spam folders. Make sure time and date on devices are correct for code generation. If that fails, contact Roblox support with verification details. Keep proof of ownership ready to speed up recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.